Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you have a great summer. I'm here already now in Austria for 2 months. It will be another two, a little bit more. The first part of the fruit harvest, which I came for here to help my father, is finished, and the second part, walnuts, will be later on in the season. Otherwise, I'm working a full-time job in Austria's biggest adventure park, so I'm busy all the time. But we're not talking about that today. I have my two Powerwalls, battery systems in Thailand, and I'm connected via Wi-Fi monitoring and have my apps, of course, on my phone. And since about 2 weeks, I have some disturbing data here on my AC Powerwall. My AC Powerwall monitoring consists of about 30 parameters, which I'm reading out there. So it's covered the AC side, DC side, all of that. And what I saw is that a few weeks ago, one inverter started not to invert power and draw power from the battery. And it's actually the new one. So I have a SUN1000 and a SUN1000 grid-tied inverter there, which can feed DC from a battery, and the SUN1000 watt inverter is not working. Yeah, that's a bummer, because that inverter is only 7 months old. That one I bought in Thailand, so that's always a little bit tricky. Always when I want to buy equipment, I usually order them directly from China, because there I know it's new equipment. And when I order something from Thailand, the sellers there in Thailand, they all already need to buy the cheapest available from China to resell it then for a good price. So that's always a little bit risky. And that time in the winter, I needed the inverter urgently to make my upgrade, and I took the chance, bought it in Thailand, and that inverter is already not working. So what does the data say? Luckily, the Powerwall itself is not affected in any way. So those two inverters are connected in parallel on the DC side. So by failing one of the inverters, the other one is still working nicely. So that means that the DC side protection, which is a breaker there, did not strip. That's good. So DC side, not sure. AC side, could there be a fault there? Also there, it's not a dead short, because that would have tripped my main breaker in my main distribution board, which is covering that phase. And on that phase is also connected an AC charger. And the charger is working perfectly normal. So that means AC side is also not really sure what happened. So if something happened on the AC side, maybe just a cable went loose. I have critters there everywhere. They usually like to chew on my cables. Maybe something like that happened. Or on the DC side, it's possible because every inverter has an own DC fuse. So it is possible that the fuse blew on the SUN1000 inverter, and so the MCB there did not react that fast, and the system remained operational for the other part. Another possible failure would be maybe some software issue, firmware issue, or just something internally, completely internally in the inverter, which is not a short, but which caused it to stop. So that's the news. I cannot ask my wife to take a look on that one, because last year we had a 12-volt issue. That one is perfectly fine because I can monitor that. Now via my app I have indication that my 12-volt bus is perfectly normal. And nothing is indicating anyway a problem otherwise, because yeah, the Powerwall is working. I just cannot draw the complete amount of energy which is stored every night. Okay, so yeah, the only thing I can do is wait another 2.5 months, then I will take a look on that, and then of course we will have a repair attempt if a repair is necessary, or maybe it's just fixing some loose wires again. Nobody knows it yet. Okay, so if you have a good guess, please comment on the down what you think could have happened. And yeah, the other thing here in Austria, I thought that we are going to make a solar PV system on my sisters and brothers-in-law house, but the problem for that is that we need a solar installer to install the solar arrays on the roof, and that's about probably 7 kilowatt peak in panels or even more. And unfortunately, you know, all this energy crisis here in Europe, there is no solar installer available who could make work done within the next 6 months. And so this project unfortunately will most probably not happen. Anyway, I always have my small electric repair jobs here with my family, and yeah, that's it. Summer is going on. I'm glad that at some point I will return back to Thailand again. There will be some things to do there because there's also some street construction job in progress in front of our resort, and it might be necessary that we have to change some photovoltaic arrays there. Okay, so that was it for today. So as I said, if you have some good guesses, please comment on the down what could have happened with the inverter. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for 1000 subscribers. I hope to see you again soon with maybe other video from here or then in Thailand.